Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys so much. Today I'm going to unbox a Grove collaborative box. I did it last month on a lark and there was so much interest in it that I thought I would go ahead and do it again this month. I have different things that come every month. I have some things that are the same, but I thought I would show you what I've got. In case you don't know, Grove Collaborative is a customizable auto shipment service that delivers home, beauty, personal care items right to you. I signed up for the VIP service, so if I order more than $15, it's automatically free shipping. I can order that as often as I want, or I can just wait for what I've put in my cart to come monthly to ship out, and I don't even have to give it another thought. I go in and manage it way more than that because I'm always wanting to add something new and fun to clean with. Like I said last month, it's not that I like cleaning, but I sure do like things to be clean. Speaking of last month, I showed you an auto dispensing dosing detergent dispenser for your washing machine because I was saying I use way too much. I recently switched to an HD machine and I just knew I was using way too much detergent. I had no idea how much too much detergent I was using until I got this new thing. And I'll take you on a field trip to my laundry room later and show you how it actually works. I love it. So in case I didn't mention it, Grove Collaborative is a B Corporation and they're known for being sustainably minded and using natural and organic products. They are healthy minded. They do carbon offset shipping, which I'm not really clear what that means, but how can it be a bad thing? I know. They're just generally trying to help you have a healthier home, give you healthier choices than you necessarily find in the grocery store. In case I've piqued your interest at all, I've put my link below. And in all fairness, if you use my link, I do get credit for it. So I don't want you to feel like I'm pushing you here. And also, I mentioned that I have it come every month. You don't have to do that. You can have it just come when you want it, or you can set up a different time schedule. I don't want you to think you have to do this every month. But let's get into this month's box. It's a heavy one. Ah, ta-da! And see what I've got over here. I have an idea because there are some things that I leave on auto delivery, so I get them every month. Things that I know that we consume every month and I need more of. Reach right in. Perfect. As a perfect example of that, the Method Foam Bath Cleaner. It's what I clean my tub with. It foams up kind of like a scrubbing bubbles, but it's much better for you. And you have to work at it. It doesn't just, you have to squeeze this to make it foam up, but it does. And I love it. And it comes every month automatically. The other beauty part is I have found that their prices beat the prices out in the market, like Target and that kind of thing. I do better through them. And like I said, with free shipping, it's perfect. This is another thing that I get every month, and it's the Method Shower Cleaner. So as soon as the last one of us showers in the morning, my husband or myself, you just spray down the shower with this, and it helps keep it clean during the week, so it doesn't ever get all that soap scumminess. Love it. This is in the eucalyptus mint smell. I also like the ylang ylang smell. It just is so easy when it just comes right here. I ordered they had a spring set that you could order as a pre-order if you were already a member. And I got that whole set. So all the parts of it should be in here. So we'll see what else I got. Oh, I forgot I got these. I have the Soap Box Company Soap and Hope Coconut Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. They're huge. They are 16 ounces each. I think the set was $13.99. I've been having hydration problems, and I'm using the Moroccan Gold shampoo and conditioner that I got through FabFitFun, but it has proteins in it, and they say you can overuse proteins. So I thought I would get a real hydrating shampoo and conditioner that I could alternate with that, and this seemed like a good idea. Let's get in here and see what these smell like. But $13.99, ooh, for a shampoo and conditioner. You can't beat that. And it smells like coconut. So the beauty of this in ordering through Grove is it's certified B Corporation and it is cruelty-free and vegan. Both of them are, because those are the kind of companies that they use. So I'm really anxious to try these. Okay, let's see what I've got next. Okay, I think all that I have left is what I ordered that was part of the spring kit. And what I got was, you know, I told you last month, I am addicted to the Mrs. Meyer's products. I love them. And I got the dish soap, the counter cleaner, and the hand soap in the lilac scent. I got them last year and I just loved the scent. They send them with this tape on it that usually comes off much easier. It's going to do this since I'm on camera. But it comes off and it doesn't leave any sticky at all, just to stop it from making a mess in transit. I love it. When you wash with this, it has a slight lilac scent, but it's mostly just clean and slightly floral. It's not like the lavender. I said last month, when I clean with the lavender, it just doesn't feel like a kitchen scent to me. And now I know it sounds like I'm breaking the rules by using lilac because we're parsing words here, but I love the lilac and it's so pretty, and it sits over on my little glass tray that I got with my first order, and I love it. And for what it's worth, I do most of my dishes by hand because it's just my husband and I. But I have found that it takes me 3 of these cleansers to get through 1 of the counter cleaner and 1 of the hand soaps. I'm passing that on. Okay, and as part of that kit, because who's not ready for spring, I got spring wildflower tea towel and what in the world? Wildflower European dishcloths 2-pack. I don't know anything about these, and they're Grove Collaborative made, and they're really pretty. Once you try our European dishcloth, you may wonder why you've ever needed paper towels. These durable and absorbent sponge cloths are perfect for mopping up any mess. When you want to clean them, simply pop them in the dishwasher to easily disinfect. Reduce waste while making your home sparkling clean. The best kind of multitasking. They feel like, well, they described it well, like a paper towel sponge. It's super thin and it's really hard, but I guess when it gets wet, it's going to be absorbent. This is interesting. We'll see how that works out. And also as part of that set, we got the Wildflower tea towel. I'm gonna go ahead and open this because I'm ready for spring. Oh, it's super soft. It's cotton fabric. It's thin, which can be good with. How pretty. So pretty. Aren't you guys ready for spring? It's so pretty. It's just a lightweight cotton tea towel. Oh my goodness, guys. How pretty is that? So pretty. I'm so ready for spring. I'm so happy. Okay. And what else have we got? Oh, I have 2 things still. So this was the other part of the spring set, and it's called the Bubble Up Soap Dispenser and Brush Set. And they did a special one. This is normally just in a white ceramic piece, but they did a special one for spring. And it actually matches the tea towel that I just showed you. So you set this on your counter. This is interesting. And it has a little springy thing in it. And you put water and soap down here, and then you put the little springy thingy in it, and then you have your brush that sits on top. And when you need soap for cleaning, you just bounce it and it bubbles up into the brush and you do your little cleaning. I have seen several people use this on YouTube and it works. So I'm anxious to try it. And it's so pretty. This is another, I just couldn't not have that sitting on my counter for spring. And then the top of this says Grove, if you can see it. Grove Collaborative. Very pretty. I was so ready for spring. So that's all my spring goodies. Now there's something else in here. I'm not sure what it is. Oh, that's right. It is an organic Earl Grey tea. It was time for my quarterly VIP present. They give you a present generally once a quarter just because you're a VIP. And this quarter it was organic Earl Grey tea. And it says that it's 15 pyramid tea sachets. So that's really neat. You gotta love it. So I'm so ready for spring. I got my nice lilac cleansers, and I have my nice spring towels and European dishcloths. I'm gonna try all this stuff out. And if there's still a lot of interest and I make this video again next month, I will be sure and let you know how it all works. Kind of like I'm doing with last month. I showed you that detergent dispenser, but now I've used it and I love it. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. So let's go do that. Okay, I've never taken myself on a walkabout, so let's see how I do with this. Okay, so here we are in my laundry room, and what I'm talking about is this Grove Collaborative dispenser. And it's a single dosing dispenser. Where I'm holding it is glass, and this bottom part is silicone, and the top part is a plastic. So when you're ready to do laundry, all you do is you take your little dispenser and you turn it upside down. And it dispenses right out into the laundry. And it just drips. And at this point, I usually just quit because I think how many of those drips can it matter? And then you're done. And somehow, magically, when you're done, it fills back up and it's ready for you. Look, I'll show you just because I can. You can just pour it for the next dose. So if you have like a double load that you wish you had more detergent for, or just for when you're ready next time, that's what it does. They also carry concentrated detergents that you put in here, and I got the citrus one last month. I think I'm going to just go out and try my own. I really like my detergents to have a scent, and theirs didn't have much of a scent, but I just love this. I love that it's one-handed. I love that it's dosed so I don't use a crazy amount of detergent. I love it. So that's it for my Grove Collaborative this month. Thanks so much for coming by, guys. I hope the walkabout wasn't too weird showing you my laundry room and washing machine, but I wanted you guys to see how that dosing detergent dispenser worked because I got so many questions about it last month. Thanks for coming by. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be doing more unboxings. And if you want to keep seeing unboxings like this one, or if there are other non-makeup-y ones that you want me to do, please let me know below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Have you tried Grove Collaborative? I just love that they do cleaning things, and like I got shampoo, they do great soaps, the tea, and it's organic. They just are a certified B Corporation that tries to do the right thing, and I appreciate that. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.